Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy.
Welcome to the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds. What is DNA? DNA is the instruction manual for all living things. It tells our bodies how to grow, work, and stay alive. Every plant, animal, and human has DNA inside them. But what exactly is DNA and why is it important? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. That's a long name, but it simply means a special kind of molecule that carries the instructions for life. DNA is found in the cells of every living thing. It's shaped like a twisted ladder. This shape is called a double helix. The steps on the ladder are made of 4 chemical building blocks. They're called adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. We often shorten them to A, T, C, and G. DNA is found in almost every cell in our body. Most of it is stored inside the nucleus, which is the control center of the cell. Some DNA is also found in mitochondria, which are like the cell's power plants. Every living thing, from elephants to tiny bacteria, has DNA. It's what makes life possible. DNA works like a recipe book. It gives instructions for how to build proteins. Proteins are the workers inside your body. They help build muscles, fight off germs, and carry oxygen in your blood. DNA tells cells when to make these proteins and how to make them. This helps your body grow, heal, and stay healthy. When you cut your finger, your DNA helps the skin grow back. It controls everything from your eye color to how tall you might be. DNA is passed down from parents to children. That's why you might have your mother's eyes or your dad's nose. Half of your DNA comes from one parent and half from the other. These instructions are grouped into packages called chromosomes. Humans have 46 chromosomes in total, 23 from each parent. This passing down of DNA is called inheritance, and it's why families share many of the same traits. Inside your DNA are special sections called genes. A gene is a set of instructions for making a specific protein. Some genes control the color of your eyes. Others affect how your body digests food. Humans have about 20,000 to 25,000 genes. Every gene has a job to do. Some are active all the time. Others turn on only when needed. Genes are what make you unique. Even identical twins who share the same DNA can have small differences in how their genes work. Sometimes DNA can change. These changes are called mutations. Most mutations are harmless. Some can even be helpful, like giving animals special traits to survive. But some changes in DNA can cause diseases or other disorders. Scientists study these mutations to understand illnesses like cancer or genetic conditions. Not all mutations are bad. Some are the reason we have different hair colors, skin tones, and other traits that make each person unique. DNA is one of the most important tools in science. Doctors use DNA to understand and treat diseases. Forensic scientists use DNA to solve crimes. Farmers use DNA to grow better crops. People even use DNA tests to learn about their family history. DNA is also helping to protect endangered species. By studying their genes, scientists can help animals survive in the wild. What is DNA? DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is tiny, but it has a big job. It carries the instructions for all living things, from your eyes to your heartbeat. DNA is what makes you, you. Thanks for watching the Big Idea series, where we answer curious questions for curious minds.
As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.